Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 4 for gym management system in Django, and in this video we will mainly work on home page. Okay, so regarding this home page we will do multiple things like we will discuss and we will do that how we can create the layout in Django, how we can create the model. We will create the models for our banners, services and all the things, and we will see how we can create the form inquiry. We will create an inquiry form. Okay, and like I have discussed about the banners and services, we will also create the pages section like a pages model, you can say, in this like privacy page, terms page, FAQ page, contact page. So we will see these things in this video. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so first of all, we will integrate this layout in our Django project. Okay, in our Django app actually. So I have this layout. Now we need to integrate this integrate this in a Django app. So I will go to the app. So here is the gym management system, and I will go to the main. And till now we have just created a simple home page, and we have just attached the bootstrap. Okay, so what we need to do, I will open the templates folder. I will open the home.html file, and here we have a simple HTML file. Now I will open the directory of my web template, and it is in the XAMPP server, in the htdocs, in the PS5 apps, and here we have. I have also uploaded this on GitHub, so you can download that. I will give the link in the description. Okay, so now I will open this footer header home. Okay, so I will open this, and we have home dot this template. So I will copy this all the things. I will copy from main to main from here and paste it here. Okay, paste it. Okay, now like if you see, I have if you see in the template, I have in the PHP we can include the header and footers. Okay, but in Django what we will do, we will create the base template and extend that. Okay, and put the we will show the common things, and we will change just the different pages like home page, contact page and other things. Okay, so first we need to create the base template. So I will create base.html. Okay, here I have created that, and in this I will put the home page. I will put the header. No, I will not cut here. I will put the header. I will put the footer. Copy, and after the header I will put the footer. Now we need to define some tags. So how we can do this? Just simply see this footer start. Okay, and here we will define the block content. Okay, this is the name. You can change whatever you can change this whatever you want. And block. Okay, so block spelling is this. So this is end block. Now because we are using the bootstrap main.css, so we will use this from our static folder from here. If you go to the main static, so we are going to use from this. So I can use this from static tag static. It will load the css file from the static folder, but before using this static we need to load this tag. So at the top I will load this tag, load static. Okay, so that we can use this, else we can't use this tag. Okay, so we also need to load this tag at here. So I will copy this and paste it here. So I will paste it here, and I will copy this. I will cut this and paste it here. Okay, so we have created our base template. Now how we will use this base template for our home page? So see this, in the home page what we will do, we will add extends tag. With the help of extend tag I will use base.html. Okay, because HTML file and because base file and home page file are the same level, so that I have used this base.html. Okay, and after that I will start block content. Okay, and after that we will end here, end block. Fine. So we have extended our template. Now I will close this my template from there, and now we have a home page. Let's go to the, okay, we actually need to define these images also. Okay, no worries, we will make this work when we will make this dynamic. Okay, so I will go to the, oh, we need to run the server. I will go to the cmd, and here we will activate the virtual environment. My virtual environment folder name is env. Okay, so activated. This is the command for activating the virtual environment in window. So cd and gym system. Okay, fine, gym system. Okay, so py manage.py run server. Okay, so this will run our server. Now we will go to the browser here and we will run this, simply run this, and here we have, it is not running. Yeah, it's fine now. So refresh the page. So here you can see that all the structure has been loaded, but images are not, because we didn't put the images path in the in our static folder. Okay, so but we will do that. Okay, so first of all we will make our banner image, our banner section dynamic. So here dynamic means we will add the data in the admin and then show the data in the home page. Okay, so there are multiple things that we need to do. We need to we will we have already connected with the database in the in our second video, second part. You can see that how I have attached the PostgreSQL with Django. Now we can use simply this. We just need to migrate and all the make migration and migrate that, then we can use the banners. Okay, we will add the data in the admin and fetch in the front end. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to do the banners. Okay, so first we need to create the model for our banners, where we will save the banners. You can see the model as a table. Okay, so I will open the main app folder. I will open the main app folder, and in this I will open the models.py file, and here I have just created this class for the demo purpose. We will delete this later. Okay, and because when we have settled our PostgreSQL with Django, then I have shown you that how we can work with this. Okay, so now we have banners. So I will create the class banners. Okay, and in this we will extend the model main class, base class, or here we will add the image. So this image equal to, okay, before adding the image, just remember one thing, we need the pillow package. Okay, with the help of pillow package you can upload or work with the images in Django. Okay, so this is the package you can install with the pip command. You can here you can install this with the pip command. I will, this is showing the error because we have not completed this. Let's complete this models, let's say image field, and in this image field we need to define the folder where we want to upload the images. Okay, so banners, and we will also define the alt text. So here models dot char field, and this will be the maximum length. Okay, so this is 150. Okay, and okay, let's fine. We will I have something in my mind, but we will do this later. First of all, let's make this migration and migrate this, and then we will see in the database. Okay, so yeah, we are done. Now after creating the model, every time after creating the model you need to run this command py manage.py make migrations. Okay, so this will create the file. Actually, this will create the file here, main migrations, in the main app migrations folder, and here the file name, and in this file name the we have created this fields it is created in the file name, and then we will run the manage.py manage.py migrate. You can also write Python, but this is a shorthand method that we can write py. Okay, so migrate. So I have entered. So migration has successful. Now I will run the server again. Okay, so migration has been successfully worked. Now I will open the pg admin. Okay, I will open the pg admin. While it is opening, let's open the admin also. Okay, I have set it. Yes, we have also seen that how we can set up the admin. So admin. Okay, I have opened the admin. So now we need to show the banners here because we want to add the data from the banner. So we need to show the banners. Okay, so it is opening. Now we need to add this model to the admin panel. Okay, so what we will do, we have created the banners model. We have run the migrations. Now the next thing, we need to add this model to the admin. Okay, okay, let's add the banner model in the admin and show it here. Okay, so I will open the admin.py file here. Okay, in the main app, and here we need to import the models. So from dot import models. Okay, I have imported all models. Now we have a some method admin dot site dot register, and here we need to add the models dot banner. Okay, so we have just to run this function, and if you go to the admin, then we have a app name main and we have a banner. Okay, so okay, we can also change the name of this banner. Okay, we will see that later, that how we can change the name of this model for the admin. Not we will change the model name, but we will just change for the admin. We will see that later. Okay, so we have in the if you go to the banner, then we have a some sidebar, and we have a add banner section, and in the add banner section we have a image and alt text. Okay, so we will add the we need to define that we need to define the media path in this in Django, so that we can access via the URL. Okay, so what we need to do, let's first define the media path. I will go to the gym management system, and I will go to the project level settings.py file. Okay, and here what we will do, after the static I will define media URL, that will be media. Okay, and then media root, and we need to import the OS package. So what is the OS package in Python? With the help of OS package, we can simply access the file level things. Okay, file path, you can say, or you can say access of any file, any path, any directory. Okay, so we will set the media root equal to os dot path dot, we have path dot join, and here we will add the path, that is a media. Okay, with the help with the base directory. Okay, now we need to add this setting to the, okay, let's do this. I will do the another step after the after uploading some data. Okay, so we have something is saying we will restart the server. While you are saving, it is restarting this. So I will save this. I will hard refresh this page because it is showing weird. Okay, fine, no problem. So now we are on desktop, and I will upload some image. So here is the image. I will add text, let's say first image. Actually we need a large image because we have a banner, so we need a large image. Actually we need, but we don't have large image actually. Okay, no problem, we will, actually we have one, save. So image has been saved, and let's add another. Let's add second image, save. And so we have this name. Okay, so what is this name? Actually it is returning the object. Okay, so if you want to return another things, like if you want to return the image, or if you want to return the alt text, then how you can do that? Okay, how you can do this? So the simple solution is, there is two solution we can do. We can, first of all, we can return from the model that what we want to return. Like, if I say the default, when we call this object, then what should it return? Okay, so first of all we can return this. I am going to show you both method. Return self dot alt text. We can't return the image because image is a actually a tag. It will show you the path, so that I'm not returning the image. So I will refresh this. It will show the name of the image. Okay, and if you want to return the actual image and show in the admin, so what we need to do? Let's see. Definition image tag, and we don't need anything. We will pass self is actually object. Okay, here we need to do one thing. So from Django dot utilities dot html, import mark save. I will import mark save, so that I'm telling the Django, I'm saying Django to that whatever I return, that is a safe thing. Okay, mark, you can say return mark safe, and in this we will pass the image source. How we can do this? Let's see. And here we will pass the image self dot image dot URL. Okay, and here I will pass this URL, and the width will be, you can say width will be 80. Okay, and so it is by default returning the name. So what we need to, if I want to return this image tag, so what we need to do? I will create a class. Here I will create a class banner admin, and I will extend this class model admin. Okay, and in this I will add list display. List display is what we want to show in this list. So the first thing is, I want to show the alt text. Okay, and then I want to show the image. So what is this? Image tag. Okay, and I will register this with the my main model. Okay, so let's refresh this page. So we have this, but it is not showing the image. Okay, it is not showing the image. Let's see, media banners 2.jpg, because it is not showing the image, because we need to concatenate the media path in the URL. Okay, we need to concatenate the media path. So this media path, so I will go to the app main, and I will go to the urls.py file, and here I will plus, first of all I will import the things from Django dot configuration, import settings, and from Django dot configuration dot, I will say from Django dot configuration dot settings, not from Django dot configuration dot, I need to see this. I will see this in my e-commerce app. So where it is, bottle shop and in the main app. So it should be static, I think. So let's confirm this. I'll go to the urls.py file. Yeah, so this is the thing. Okay, so here I will paste this, and after that we will concatenate this with the static settings dot media url, and the second is document root equal to media root. Okay, so we will concatenate that. Okay, so now we have concatenated that. Now let's go to the and refresh this, and we will restart this server. Media root is not defined, so I need to check this. Media root is defined, but let's refresh this and restart the server. It is saying that media root is not defined in the urls.py file. Media root settings, we are configuring the settings.media url settings.media root. So media root, it is defined that. Let me check this in our e-commerce app. So I will go to the e-commerce app and I will go to the bottle shop settings.py file. Let's go to the media root and media url. Here I will simply copy this. Actually this is the same, but let's copy this. Yeah, this is the same. Now the second thing is we need to add this in the main and urls.py file. I'll copy this both package, sorry, copy this both package and add in the urls, the same thing, not any single mistake. And I will copy this thing, I will copy this thing, I will copy whole thing, and I will change this method. Actually this is saying that if our debug mode is on, then we will concatenate this with the static this thing. Okay, so no issues, this is the same thing. So here it is refreshing and image is not currently showing. So why it is not showing, let me see this. I will go to the models.py file, and here we have a width and a self.image.url, and here we have self.image.url. So in this banners, let's go to the banners main. We don't need to give main, media banners, and we have banners, and we have image tag self.image.url. It should return the url, it should return, because everything is I think everything is, yeah, everything is fine. Why it is not returning that? Refresh the page again. Yeah, actually we need to hard refresh the page. Sorry, I have I think I have wasted your 2 to 5 minutes. No issues. Okay, so actually this is a part of coding. Okay, so we have integrated we have actually created our model, and we have added our model to the admin section. I will close this thing. I'm taking reference time to time from my old projects. I hope you have not an issue. Okay, so we have banners, and we have all the things. Now we need to get this banner on home page. Actually the task is that, the main task is we need to get this banner. So close all the things, and I will just open the views.py file, and here we need to get the from dot import models. Okay, and here we will get the models banners equal to models dot banner dot objects dot all. Okay, so this will get the all data from the models. and here we will pass this data. So you can say banners. Okay, so here we are. Now we will show this banner here. So I will run this with the loop for banner in banners. Okay, and we will show this, just we will run this in a end 4. Okay, so we are going to show the banners. So here I'm running the loop. So in this banner I will just change the source banners dot image dot url. Okay, and let's refresh the page. So we have a banners, but we need to add this active class only on the first banner. So what we need to do, so here I will run if for loop dot counter equal to 0. Okay, then we will run this active, else we will end if. And actually I'm not adding the else. Refresh the page. For loop dot, it's a counter or something else. Let's see this. We need to iteration. This will be 1. Why it is not showing that? If for loop this, actually this should be counter equal to 1. Okay, so when we refresh this, so it will work fine. Okay, so we don't require these things, we just require this thing. Okay, so active class will be only active on the first item, else not. Okay, so we have 2 items and it is running, and we also need this yeah, everything is fine. So now our banner is dynamic. Okay, the next thing we will do, make our services dynamic, all this text content, and we also need to create the page. We will create the page later, but for the time we will make this services dynamic. Okay, and we will also create our about us page. Okay, okay, so for making the services dynamic, we will create the model for the services. Actually we have created the services model here. So in the services title, detail, and we also need the image. Okay, so here we need the image, so after the detail, and this will be services. Okay, and I will copy these 2 things. Okay, and we don't need this alt text, we will make the alt text our title. So detail, so this is text field, text area field, and title, detail, images, image. Okay, in the services model. Now we don't need to touch the settings that we have already done in the banners. Okay, so that was the universal settings for the media route and all the things. Okay, so we have a services model. Now we need to, as I have said earlier, that we need to migrate this, and then we can access in, then we will add in the admin. So I will stop the server and I will py manage.py make migrations, and here it is saying that image to services without, actually we have added this services migration already, so that it is saying that the image field should not be you should have put some, value, default value. So what I will do, I will say null equal to true. Okay, so close this, and I will rerun the migration command. So now it is running py manage.py migrate. Okay, so migration has been successfully run. Now I will go to the admin. And here we have admin, and I will simply copy this and paste this here. So I will say service admin, and I will add it here, and from the models I will add service. Okay, and in the service I want to show title and image. Okay, so just title and image tag. So everything is fine now, and yeah, everything is fine. So now we will run the server. Py manage.py run server. Okay, so now we are this is running the server. We will go to the admin and refresh the page. So we have a services, and in the services we have the image attribute has not file associated with it. Actually it has no file, so that it is saying this error. So what we need to do, I will remove this. I will from the admin I will remove this image tag. Okay, and let's go for this the services. Sorry, close this, run server. It is running. It is saying that this table must be oh. Actually this should be tuple, so tuple should be have one or more value, and if you have one value you have to add the comma at the last. Okay, so we have now refresh this page. So in the services we have a service, and in that, actually that was the error because we didn't have any added the image. So I will add the image here. Let's add some image 300, like this some image, save this, and now we can add the image tag. Refresh the page. So it is restarting the server actually. So we have image tag and services. Okay, so we have integrated in the admin. Now we need to show at the front end. So I will add three services. The service one is cardio. Okay, and the file will be, I have already created this when I have created the template. I have already added that files, relative files actually. So I will go to the folder bs5 apps, gym system, images, and this is the cardio. Save, and let's add another services like bodybuilding, and this will, I'll copy this and paste it here. Bodybuilding, save. Let's add dancing. Okay, you can add whatever you want to do, and dancing image will be here. Save. Okay, so we have now data. Now we need to fetch this data on the home page. So for the home page, similar to this. Okay, at the home page we need only three services. Okay, so I will, how the admin can add many of the services, but we will show the first three services, actually the latest three services. Okay, and we will make some technique that we will tick only we want to show the three services. So here we will show the checkbox that the, if the status of the services will be activated, then we will show that. Okay, we will improve this services after in the upcoming videos. Okay, in the upcoming way, in the coming way. Okay, coming way, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we have services objects all, but I will fetch only three. Okay, I will fetch only three, and one more thing I will, okay, that's fine, no problem. Services, and here I will pass the services. Okay, now we need to get these services here, so I will just simply copy this loop, and after that I will paste it here and remove the other data, and copy this if and for and paste it here. Okay, and here we have service, and this will be services. Okay, and this will be our image of services dot image dot url. I think the main thing is in this video is The main learning point is the how we can image upload the image, show the image. That is, I think, the main point. Okay, so refresh the page. So it is saying that attribute main model does not have services. Main models, actually, why it is saying that? Because the service name is wrong, the model name is wrong. Okay, no problem. Refresh. So we have three services. Now we need to add the title also. So here the title, service dot title. So this is cardio, bodybuilding, dancing, and then we will pass this data here. So this will be detail. Okay, and we will add some truncate. This will be 5. Invalid filter truncate. So I will search this Django truncate. So actually this truncate will truncate some characters. Okay, so this will show only few characters at the page, maybe the spelling mistake or something. We will see that. Okay, we will see that how we can truncate that. Actually it is not searching in the Google, maybe some network issue or something. So I will update this, and I will show you that how what filter we can use for just substring, just show the substrings. Okay, so we have currently this, and we will pass here the simple thing URL. Okay, let make it a hash. When we create the page for the service, then we will pass the URL, and I will show you. Okay, so now our banner is dynamic, our services is dynamic, not the page. Yes, I know that, but we will do that. We can show this about us in a two ways. Like if we can create the about us page and put the content in that page, and we can load from the we can create the function definition about us and something. This is the first way. The second way, we will create the page model. In that page model we can create the title, description, and from that we can show the about us, specific about us page. So please add your comment that which way is we should do, in which way, and which way is more preferable and why. Please add your thoughts, add your comments. Okay, so I will do other things in the I will do other things for the home page in the next video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Uh, please see other videos. If you are directly watching this video, then please see the other videos also, because all the videos are interrelated, interlinked. Okay, and please go to the Code Artisan Lab and subscribe the channel. And if you are new, then please click on the bell icon and please subscribe, and like this video, share this video, and support me on the Patreon, Razorpay, PayPal. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.